Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to embed a PDF document in HTML web page. So let's get started. For this, I have one HTML web page. So I'll just right click, open with Visual Studio Code. So to embed a PDF document, there are two options which you can use. One is the embed tag, second is the iframe tag. But before that, we'll see this HTML. This, since it is a web page, we are having HTML tags like HTML start and end tag. Then head. Inside head, we have given a title, that my website, to this HTML page. Then in body part, we have given one heading with the name embed a PDF file in your website. Okay. Inside body tag, we have made use of embed tag and iframe tag. Okay. So we'll see with both the options how we can embed a PDF document inside a web page. Okay, so I have already uploaded a PDF document on my Google Drive. So we have this PDF report origin theme. I'll just open this to check how it looks. So this is a sample document. Okay, now we are going to embed this. To do that, you need to click on these three dots, click on share, share again. Okay, now over here, change this from restricted to anyone with the link. Make sure a viewer is selected. Okay, click on copy link, then click on done. Let's head back to our web page. Now I'll just paste it over here. We'll need to change this file ID, and to get the file ID from this copied link, you need to look after the d/. You'll get this ID over here. Okay, so this is our file ID. I'll just cut it and replace this file ID. Okay, we'll also replace this over here for the iframe tag. The copied URL is no more required. I'll just Control S to save it. Once it is saved, let's go back and open this in the Google Chrome. So now we can see we have embedded the PDF document from the Google Drive in our HTML page. Okay, so we are able to see it for the two times because we have used embed as well as iframe tag. So if I just comment this part and save this document, just refresh this, we are able to see the PDF document, and we can scroll it, we can move to the next page with the options like zoom in, zoom out. Okay, and if you click on this pop out button, it is going to open in new window. Okay, where you get options to print as well as download. So that's all for today guys. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.